புள்ளும் சிலம்பினகான் புள்ளரையன் கோயில் வெள்ளை விழிசங்கின் பேரரவம் கேட்டிலையோ. பிள்ளாய் எழுந்திராய் பெய்முலை நஞ்சுண்டு கள்ளச்சகடம் கலக்கழிய காலோச்சி வெள்ளத்தரவில் துயிலமர்ந்த வித்தினை உள்ளத்துக் கொண்டு முனிவர்களும் யோகிகளும் மெல்ல எழுந்து அரியன்ற பேரரவம் உள்ளம் புகுந்து குளிர்ந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். From this Pasuram, which is Pasuram 6, till Pasuram 15, which is a set of 10 Pasurams, Andal will request her fellow friends who are in the vicinity to join her in the process of observing the Pavai Nombu. Each of these friends were of a different type. So, considering the nature of her friend, Andal will change the tone, the tenor, and the contents of the Pasuram. This is friend type 1. So she tells, look at the temples. Pullum Shilambinakan. Pull is a bird. So you can hear the chirping of the variety of birds. Pullum Shilambinakan, because her task is to wake them up and she has to give signs to them that it is early hours of the morning. Pullum Shilambinakan. Look, you can hear the chirping of the birds. Pullum Shilambinakan. Pull Arayan. The next word which is related to the bird is the king of birds. Arayan is the leader. Who is the leader of birds? Garutman. Vedatma Vihageshwaraha Yavanika Maya Jaganmohini, tells Yamunacharya. So this particular Garuda is the leader of all birds. Pullarayan Ko-il. Who is Ko in Tamil? Ko means the leader to the leader of birds. Who is the leader of birds? Garuda. Who is the leader to the leader of birds? Lord Vishnu. Il is the place where he stays. So Ko-il is where the Lord stays. Pullarayan Koil is where Garuda is there. So if you look at the four corners of the ancient temples, you'll have Garuda, and opposite the Lord in the Sanctum Sanctorum you'll have Garuda. So there are 4 plus 1, 5 Garudas whose names have been assigned by the Agamas. So she tells, Pullarayan Koil Vellai Vilishangu. Can you hear the sound of the conch that is emanating from them being blown in the temples? Vellai Vilishangin Peraravam Ketilayo. Haven't you heard the sound of the conches? Haven't you heard the chirping of the birds? Pullum Shilambinakan, Pullarayan Koil Vellai Vilishangin Peraravam Ketilayo. Oh my dear friend, Pillai, Yelundirai, wake up. Pillai, Yelundirai. Now that girl will ask, why are you waking me up? Whom are we going to praise? So then she tells, Pei Mulai Nanjundu. Whom are we going to sing praises of? Of Lord Krishna, who killed Putana, who came in the disguise of a wet nurse who was to feed Krishna. Sa Putana Balaghatini, tells Shukabrahmam. Gopascha Sambhuya Guhopamakshim Swaghosha Nirhatita Vishwagosham Gatasu Maikshanta Nishacharim Tam Bhimakritim Bhaimarathim Ivanyam. So it looks like a Bhaimarathi Ratri. So please wake up. Peimulai Nanjundu. Then what else did he do? That girl asks Andal. Andal tells, while being a child, Kalla Shakatam Kalakkaliya Kalochi. He took his tender feet and kicked at Shakatasura, who was Utkacha, who had pervaded in the cart. Kalla Shakatam Kalakkaliya Kalochi. Who is he? Vellattaravil Tuyilamaranda Vittinai. At one point in time when sage Markandeya wanted to understand how the ocean of deluge, Pralayarnavam, will look, at that point in time the entire universe was a Pralayarnavam, and as Markandeya swam, he saw a beautiful banyan leaf on which was housed a beautiful sapphire-hued body of a little boy who showed Mahalakshmi in his heart. Vellattaravil Tuyilamaranda Vittinai. உள்ளத்துக்கொண்டு, where is he now housed? உள்ளத்துக்கொண்டு முனிவர்களும் யோகிகளும், people who are engaged in mananashilaha munihi and people who are mantra drashta rishihi. உள்ளத்துக்கொண்டு முனிவர்களும் யோகிகளும். Now as they have the Lord in their heart, they will not wake up suddenly, they will get up slowly, it seems, because God should not be disturbed. So likewise, my dear friend, when you wake up, be very careful, because the Lord is inside you. மெல்ல எழுந்து ஹரியன்ற பேரரவம். So மெல்ல எழுந்து, get up very slowly. உள்ளத்துக்கொண்டு முனிவர்களும் யோகிகளும் மெல்ல எழுந்து then she tells, as you wake up, you will have the Lord in your heart, and as you have the Lord in your heart and you come with us, we can sing praises about him. உள்ளம் புகுந்து குளிர்ந்தேலோர் எம்பாவாய். He is the one who is going to bless us by being within. So மெல்ல எழுந்த அரியன்ற பேரரவம் உள்ளம் புகுந்து குளிர்ந்து. He is going to cool our hearts. So wake up, my dear friend.
உள்ளும் சிலம்பின புள்ளரையல் கோயில் உள்ளும் சிலம்பின புள்ளரையல் கோயில் உள்ளும் சிலம்பின புள்ளரையல் வெள்ளை விழிச்சங்கின் பேரரவம் கேட்டிலையோ வெள்ளை விழிச்சங்கின் பேரரவம் கேட்டிலையோ பிள்ளை கொண்டு முனிவர்களும் யோகிகளும் உள்ளது கொண்டு முனிவர்களும் யோகிகளும் மெல்ல la